AI is rewriting the rules of business. For non-technical leaders, the risk of becoming obsolete is real. But you don't need to panic, and you don't need to learn how to code. My name is Nat Schooler. I'm an ex-IBM futurist, and after 500 interviews with global executives, I've built the definitive blueprint for career success and survival. Influential Visions shows you exactly how to stay irreplaceable when AI can replace pretty much anyone else. No complex theory, just proven strategies. Subscribe to protect your professional future and start your $1 trial to Monday Influencer at the link below. Your competitive advantage starts now.